of all, you need to also know your background size, okay, the background size you want to use for your complementary card. So for instance, let's say you want to create a complementary card with a background size of 9 by 3 inches. So we just go to our new background, Control N, then we select here the inches. We can select 9 for the width and 3 for the height. Then resolution, we can make it 100. Okay, so we will have our background like this. If you think it's too long, you can go to image, you go to image size, you can change the 9. Let's choose the inches. You can change the 9 to, let's say, 6, and here 3. So in order to adjust the height as you want, you have to uncheck the constraint proportions. So you can make it 3 so that the width will be twice the height. Okay, so I think this is cool. Now let's design our complementary card. Normally complementary card, you don't need too much colors, maybe 2 or 3 colors, then you are good to go. Okay, and you can choose to design the front. After that, you design the back, or you may design just a one-sided complementary card. If you are printing, then you may design front and back and print it front and back. In the same way, if you are printing, you may choose to do it just a front-sided complementary card. Okay, so let's start and go to shape, right click, select let's see, rounded rectangle, left click and hold, add the shift key, draw your shape like this. Can give it a color, going to FX, color overlay. I can give it a bluish color like this. A bluish color like this. Let me see this one. Okay. So using the move tool, you position it well. Okay. You can left click and hold, add the shift key, and you drag it. Okay. Can bring the pointer here, you see it will change, then you left click and hold, you can turn it. You can zoom it in like this, so I can turn it well. Okay, zoom it out like this. Okay, so I can copy this shape, give it a white color. I'm creating a certain effect. Give it a white color. Okay, let me do it this way. There are many ways for killing the cat, right? So the same color for the shape, I can bring the, now we have two shapes. Okay, so we have the layers of the two shapes here. So one layer is behind the other, so I can bring one forward, the one behind, so that this one on top, I give it a stroke, a white stroke, like 20 or say 10, say 7. Okay, choose the color, a white stroke. I think 5 will be okay. Okay, enter. So you see I've created that effect. I can adjust the one behind using the arrow keys to my preferred appearance. Okay, so I think this is cool. Now I can do my text work. Okay, So I select the text tool and I click on it. I say Franita. Then, okay, let me do the Franita before I do the ventures. So I can change the font style, go here, type in the font style if you know the name. Okay, I can choose the heavy one. Using the move tool, I adjust the size like this. Okay, I can copy it, Control J. Use the move tool, bring it down. Use the text to double click on it or triple click and edit it. Then just you click or check here. Can change the font for the ventures, go here, or you can even come here, this option up there. You click there and you go to the font, then you select the font style that you want. So let's say I want to use this one. Okay, so I can use the move tool to adjust it well, like this. Now, the ventures is on top of the Franita. I can give the ventures a stroke. Go into FX, go to stroke. I can give it a 3-side stroke. Now, the stroke, you have to also check this position. It can be inside, it can be centered, it can be outside. So you can also explore that option. Now I want the stroke to be the same as the background. So I come to the color, I click in and I bring the pointer on my work to click in this color, to select that color. Then I click on OK or enter. So I have that effect. Okay, so now I want to write the location, the contact, and the email. Okay, so I want to download images for this. So I can go to my browser and I search for Gmail logo. Gmail logo. So you will see many samples. Then you download the one that you like. Think I want this one. So I click on it to open it. Then I right click and I copy. I come to my work and I paste, Control V. I use the move tool to adjust it like this. I can use the cutting tools to crop it. So I want to use the magic wand to click in here. Now because I have unchecked the contagious box up here, when you click, it will select that color in the entire image. Okay, so backspace. Okay, Control D to deselect. Now I go to FX to change the color. To white. Complementary color, as already mentioned, we don't normally use too many colors. Okay, let me zoom in my work. There's a line down there. And use this cutting tool, the polygon lasso tool, to come and cut that line. Double click to join, backspace, deselect, Control D, zoom it in, Control, then you press the minus key. Now I can use the move tool to adjust the size. You can also bring in the ruler here. If your ruler is missing, you can click Control R to bring it. You can also click Control R to hide it like this. When you press Control R, it will bring it back again. So you can left click and hold the ruler and you drag it maybe to get your work aligned. Okay, so let me download location logo. Location. Okay, so I want to use this one. I left click on it to open it, then I right click, I copy, come back to my work. Control V to paste it. Use the move tool to adjust the size. You add the shift key when you are using the move tool to adjust the size so you don't distort the size. I can use the magic wand to crop it like this. I go to FX and change the color like this. Use the move tool together with the arrow keys on your keyboard. You position it well. You can either use the move tool to pull it, but normally when the objects are small, using the move tool sometimes is difficult. So you can use the arrow keys on your keyboard whilst you selected the move tool. You can use the arrow keys to move it. Okay, so let's also download all logo. All logo. So I want to download this one, so I click on it. I right click and I copy. Come back to my work and I paste. Control V. Zoom it in and I use the move tool to adjust the size. Zoom it out. Control plus. Then I can use the magic wand to crop it like this. Go to FX and change the color to white. I can use the move tool to adjust the size and use the arrow keys to position it well. Okay, so now I can do some text work. So I can copy from Nita, Control J, use the move to bring it down. Use the text to select the text to double click, edit it. Francis B at gmail.com. You check up here, you can adjust the size, let's say 8. Okay, so using the move tool, I can adjust the size. You left click and hold and you add the shift key. Okay. So let's say I want to make it like this. Okay. Control J to copy, bring it down here. Select text to double click on it to select, type in the name you want or the text you want. Kumasi. Copy. Control J, use the arrow keys, move it down. You select the text to double click, you edit it. 0241862136. Okay, so you can add in more materials, more designs to make it look very nice. Okay, so here you can bring in your logo if you have a logo. So I think I've downloaded one on my desktop, so I can go to file, I go to place, and I locate my logo on the desktop, this one. So I double click, it will be brought to my work. I set the magic wand to backspace. Okay, so I need to go to the layer of the logo, right click and rasterize layer. Rasterize layer. I rasterize the layer. Then I come and click again, backspace. Okay, deselect, Control D. Using the arrow keys, I can position it well. I can position it well on my work like this. Okay, when you are done, you save your work. You go to File, you go to Save As, you give it a name, Comp Card. You choose JPEG and you save your work. You go to desktop. Let's see if I can find my work on the desktop. Looks like I didn't select the desktop, so let me go back. Okay, so File, Save As, select desktop, choose JPEG, type in the name, Home Card, save. Okay, so let me go to my desktop and this is my card. Okay, this is my card. So this is how we create complementary card. You can add in more elements as you want.